Hey guys, today I want to show you how to change your radiator on your Toyota FJ Cruiser, and this video is gonna be sponsored by OEDRO. OEDRO is a brand offering high quality aftermarket car accessories for SUVs, sedan, trucks, and more. I have already had the chance to try some of their parts or accessories back when I had my Jeep, and I can tell you that the quality that they make is actually pretty good. And the price per se, let's just compare this radiator, the cost of it versus your regular auto parts, which I'm not gonna mention no name, but this is just a real picture of how much it will cost you to go get a radiator from the auto part versus if you get one from OEDRO. Guys, check this out. The quality of this thing is incredible. Pretty much the same thing, and this is some of the crazy thing. Watch this. So the details in this thing is crazy. Like you can see right here, this stamp, it has like a square molding in it, and if we look into the other side, it also have the same kind of molding. And if we keep going, we have the stamp number in there is the same as this one. Every single detail that I can find is pretty much the same, aside from the white letters that say Toyota. Alright y'all, so I ran out of light yesterday, so I stopped the video. Different day, but listen, this would literally take you like 30 minutes. The only reason why I run out of sunlight is because I got out of work kind of late, and I started working on it kind of late, plus I was making the video, so it actually make it way longer. A few things when you're doing this. Number one, if you're doing this, since you're already here, might as well change your water pump and your thermostat. If it's time to do that, do that. I'm not doing it because I am planning on doing that when I hit 300,000 miles, which is like another 15,000 miles, maybe something like that. Now to put everything back together, it's just gonna be the same but in reverse order. And then don't forget to connect your automatic transmission lines if you haven't connected there. Mine, I have different. Mine I haven't bypassed because I don't know if you know this or not, but a lot of Toyotas before used to have this problem when the radiator kind of messed up, not in the way that you think that it's gonna leak coolant, but internally, and then transmission fluid used to get mixed with coolant, damaging your transmission. So I got rid of my lines going into the radiator itself, and I put a kit that they sell you, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description for it. So if you have to like actually go back and look some of the pictures or videos on how to put the transmission lines and where they go, that video actually show you better. You can do that. Mine, I'm just gonna bypass it. It's already capped, so I'm just gonna leave it like it is, and I'm just gonna run the radiator. But also I have the live data from the old radiator and the new radiator at idling after normal operating temperature. So I want to see what kind of temperature are we looking at. Is it hotter, colder? What does it look like? It's probably gonna be the same, but I wanted to see that myself on the live data from the vehicle. You know what's crazy? I forgot to get antifreeze. It's okay. Let's go in that pile of junk. Alright y'all, so old radiator is out, the new one is in, the quality looks great. So I went to the store, got some antifreeze, put it on, start the car, make sure all the air was out, you know, all the good stuff. And then I put the scanner on just to check the live data on the vehicle and check what kind of temperature I was getting, because I recorded before I changed the radiator, because honestly there was nothing wrong with my old radiator, it was just preventive maintenance. The vehicle almost have 300,000 miles, but the good thing is, like I say, quality is great. The temperature is steady at 190 some degrees, which is normal, and it's gonna change. It's gonna vary based on your area, right? If your place is colder, it might be a little colder or whatever, but that's a good temperature and it's steady. No leaks, no nothing. Quality great, price even better. So that's it for today. I really enjoy these products. Like I say, I have some of the products before in the channel, and it is great quality. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is pretty good. So I'm gonna leave you a link in the description. Just check what they have. They have so many different products in there for off-roading, for just regular maintenance on your vehicle. That's all I have for you today. Go check out OEDRO, and I'll see you around.